Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marcel Valencia, 43 years old from Philippines. I work in Qatar in 2 years finish contract. Um, my duties and responsibilities is to clean the house, to do laundry, ironing, and wash the dishes. I also I also experience how to take care of the baby because I have one child, I have two nieces, and I have two nephew. Um, my personality is kind, loyal, friendly, trustworthy, loving, caring, and happy person. Ma'am, sir, if you give me a chance to work with you, I will give it the best serve for you that I can do. And I will learn more. I'm willing to learn everything from you, and I will commitment with dedications to my work. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and have a nice day.